Great morning to you beautiful people. Today we have a 2022 Toyota 4Runner Limited. Very, very stylish. It's gorgeous. So I just wanted to show you around this vehicle real quick. Right off the bat, you can tell on the Limiteds, they have that polished front grille. It's got the nicer 20-inch wheels. It's got the running boards. And that nice, stylish look that people love about the 4Runner. This one is a two-wheel drive, but it is loaded with safety and technology features to keep your family safe and entertained. So, starting at the back, where the beginning of the magic happens, we have all this cargo room. Not only that, you've got a 400-watt power inverter. So if you need to power any supplies, generators, compressors, whatever it may be, you've got power. The back seats fold down at the push of a button. Look at that. And that goes all the way flat. Same thing on this side. Goes all the way flat. Just needs your assistance for the rest of the way. This is a 60-40 split. All the space for your toys, your stuff, your animals, your pets, your people, whatever it may be. So, fold the seats down, you pull that up, and you hit this button here. Driver's seat needs to go up a little bit more. There we go. So now I can come back about that much. And there it is. There we go. So all that cargo space. Back of the 4Runner. Alright, with the back put back together, you can see your rear AC vents, as well as your dual fast charge ports for your occupants. Gorgeous multi-information display with amazing visuals. One of the main safety and technology features that everyone loves and a lot of people ask about is now available on 22 Limited. Boom! Your 360 view camera. And it's also got side view. Boom! So you can see your left and right side, so you know exactly what's going on all sides of the vehicle at all times. Pretty cool stuff. And also, when you put it in reverse, let me show you this. Reverse. Boom! 360 view camera, and it shows you your trajectory. So you know approximately how much angle you're currently moving with. Really, really helpful stuff. Also, being limited, you've got your heated and cooled seats for both driver and passenger. Comfortable. Comfort. Dual zone climate control. Now, let's see how it drives. Right, so here we are, cruising along, or about to be cruising along, the 2022 Toyota 4Runner Limited. Again, this is a two-wheel drive, in case you didn't realize it. But I just wanted to showcase and experience how they feel, and just what makes these gorgeous SUVs so appealing to the masses. Whether you're off-roading or just cruising down the highway, going to the store, going to work, that sort of thing. It really does tick all the boxes for a comfortable, spacious, convenient, and safe vehicle. And as we pull out, another one pulls in. What are the odds? That just shows you how awesome they are. Let me check this. All right. That light was kind of nice, actually. We'll leave it open a little bit. All right. So, right out of the gate, we got the 4-liter V6. It's two-wheel drive. But you got this amazing Softex leather surrounding you on the seats, on the center console. You've got some nice wood grain here on the dash as well. That stuff aside though, the nitty gritty, how does it drive? How does it feel? Right out of the gate, this is one of the smoothest driving SUVs, especially with larger tires, that you'll get in. Outside of like a you know, super high expensive Mercedes or something. This is really smooth. One of the things that I love about the 4Runner is every time I get in one and I have to turn around, like make a U-turn or just make a sharp turn in the parking lot, I'm always blown away at how good their steering radius and the steering angle is for being such a big vehicle, for being an SUV, you know, on a truck chassis pretty much. Usually trucks, SUVs are known to have terrible steering angle, terrible turning radiuses. The 4Runner, not so much. It turns on a dime and it makes U-turns and turning around in small areas very easy and confidence inspiring for being such a large vehicle. It's amazing. Toyota did a fantastic job with the engineering of the handling, steering, suspension of this truck, which is why it handles the off-road and the on-road so very well. In terms of luxuries, like I said, you've got heated and cooled seats for both driver and passenger. You've got your lane tracing alert with steering assist. I'll try to demonstrate that here. You're going to be traveling at speeds of 32 miles an hour or above. You've got your EBD, your electronic brake distribution. That's going to measure where the passengers are sitting, and it's going to effectively modulate the brakes appropriately to make sure that the vehicle always stays straight in the event of an emergency brake. If you have, you know, different weights, like, you know, somebody over here and somebody over there, it keeps it safe and straight on its intended path. On top of that, of course, you have your vehicle stability control. You've got your traction control. So all your normal driver aids and safety aids. But one of the really cool things, like I said, is that 360 view camera. This one is loaded with the blind spot monitoring, so you're also going to have your rear cross traffic alert. So if you're in reverse and there's someone approaching you in the back, whether that's a person, place, or thing, the vehicle will let you know. And it'll also show you on the screen by way of a yellow arrow the direction that they are currently moving in. So you are prepared and aware of what's going on around you. It's one of the really, really cool things about these new Toyotas. They are constantly looking out for you. So even if you're not looking out for yourself, your car is looking out for you to make sure that you make it to wherever your destination is. And that's very commendable. That's priceless. Okay, anyway, that is awesome. But this thing is smooth, it's comfortable, it's quiet, really good sound system. You've got your JBL audio system, you've got your built-in navigation, you've got your Toyota Safety Connect, so that'll help you with the destination assist. You've got point of interest, you've got emergency assist, so if anything happens like a wreck where your airbags are deployed, they will call you on the little intercom here, and you've got about 30 seconds to respond before they automatically dispatch the emergency services to your location. So that gives you some peace of mind knowing that if anything does happen, if you're out traveling in the middle of nowhere and late at night and you get in a wreck, somebody will come to your aid if you can't call. That's a really big peace of mind. So, in terms of the really cool things outside of the Toyota connected services, I mean, like I said, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, but more importantly, I really just want to drive this thing just to show you guys how smooth and awesome this thing drove. And like, just the turn-in for being an SUV is amazing. Like, I get it. I understand why everyone wants a 4Runner and why the older 4Runners keep their value so much. And if you didn't know, there was a time period where you could get a V8. See, that's that lane assist right there. I was going over the lane and it let me know. It also steered the wheel back to the center. It's pretty cool stuff. So, yeah, that's cool. And you can make it beep or not beep. So if the beep's annoying, you can turn it off. It's not a big deal. One of the other really cool things that we offer here at our dealership at Toyota Katy, if you do decide to come get a vehicle or whatever, but if you do decide to come get a vehicle, I would love to help you get that. But a new Toyota from us, it does give you a lifetime powertrain warranty, which is pretty amazing. Because on top of the 3-year or 36,000 mile warranty you get from Toyota, along with Toyota's 2-year or 25,000 mile maintenance plan, we give you a lifetime powertrain warranty after that period. And then we also give you a lifetime oil change and a lifetime tire rotation. So if you're in the Houston area and you're looking for a vehicle and you want a really good vehicle that's taken care of, low maintenance costs, great warranty, come see me. I'll help you out. Back to the 4Runner. This thing's amazing. Like, I understand it. I don't even need to go on the highway to know how good it's gonna be, simply because it was so smooth and composed at 45 miles an hour on the suburban roads we've just been driving on. Yeah, I just wanted to really make this quick video just to showcase just how smooth and great this thing is. Like, it's a really nice, comfortable daily vehicle. I get it. I understand it. So, yeah, I just want to wrap this video up. I want to thank you guys for checking it out. I want to let you know, if you are in the market for a sweet Toyota, to come see me, and I will do the best to get you the best deal possible. Not only that, you'll know that you'll have a reliable vehicle with the best resale on the market. Anyway, thanks again for checking this video out. I really do appreciate it. Remember to drop us a like, subscribe, and go out there and do something awesome. Here, check this turning radius out. So you can probably see it in my window. I'm turning in a circle around this light pole, and I'm turning really, really, really tight. And if that's not amazing for being an SUV, I don't know what is. So yeah, have a good day. Peace.
Woo!